Hello everyone, welcome to UFT Live project, and it's day two. So we have already discussed on day one what we are going to do in this live project. So if you are the new member, we have already discussed all these things. Okay, what is UFT Live project? I'll just brief what we have discussed. This it's so what is this live project, okay, what are prerequisites you should have, and what we do in live projects, okay. So all those things, like I have mentioned, we create teams, okay, and then we assign teams automation tasks, and then we analyze feasibility of test cases. All these things we have already discussed. uh, can I know the who are the people who just joined, or for them it is the first session, so that I quickly just brief, and then we can proceed. Okay, Chris is just joined. So, okay, no worries. So, let me uh, talk about what we discussed on day one. So, before that, I can see some raised our hand. So, Swati and Mallikeshwari, do you guys have any question? I can unmute you. Shall I unmute you guys? Or if you have any questions, so we can talk. Okay, so if you have question, just let me know in ping me. Okay, this is first day for you. Okay, no issue. So let me talk briefly what we discussed on day one. So this is actually what I said is, this is not a training team. This is a project, and where uh, so this is how it is different from the live training. Okay, so in live training, a trainer will teach you different concepts of any tool or anything. In live projects, it's a totally different way, because we assign you task, okay, you have to do this, then we'll meet up, we'll review those tests, those things whatever you have done, and we'll suggest you to do the in a better way. We'll review your code, we'll review your what you're doing currently, how you, if there is any mistake, we can correct those things, if we can suggest a better way to do those things. So like these things what we do in live project. So here you will be the main person who will drive this. All right. So what are the some prerequisite for this UFT live project? So you should know the concept. You should know the knowledge of the about UFT or QTP. Okay, at least you should have knowledge. Otherwise, you will be lost in the team, because some people will start working on creating framework, working on automation scripts, and all those things. In those cases, you will feel like, okay, I'm beginner, so I have to watch those videos. Some people do. I'm agree on this. Some people refer parallelly those videos, then they try to implement it. That is also a good way to learn. Okay, so at least some knowledge of UFT is required for this live project. Okay, what we do in live project. So as I said, we divide in teams. So depending on the number of team members whatever we have, uh, we divide in 5 6 member of team. Suppose there are 15 members of team, okay, 15 number of people in this live project, so we will create 3 teams, 5 members in each team, and each team will work independently. Okay, suppose I gave one module, sorry, one application. So each module of that application your team should handle. Okay, so don't think like other team members will do some other module and you have to do only this module. No, whole application you have to automate. Okay, how we assign task will uh, we can take any application. Okay, so I'm going to tell you this BookSmart application. I'll just explain few points in this. Okay, and we have already test cases for this. Okay, we can easily get the test cases from the previous batches, so no need to write test cases. Just to understand the application you should go through the application, get the idea from the test cases what is the application. I'll also explain what is the application is, what it does, what are the functionalities available. A high level document is also available for us, so we'll share with you, not today but when we'll start project. Okay, all right. So and you have to analyze feasibility of the test cases that can be automated or not. Once it is done, you have to decide which framework is good to automate this application. All right, and then you can start working on uh, test script, test data, folder structure, reporting, all those things you should have to do. uh, how we progress, how we monitor this live projects is, weekly we'll meet twice. It can be Monday and Thursday, and you should present whatever you have done in the last week or last days. Like there is, we have assigned a task, so you should come up with that task. What is the status? How you did? You should present. You can share your screen. All right. So we will review, and then that how it is go on. Okay, so we weekly will meet twice, and uh, duration will be around 4 to 5 weeks. Okay, 1 month, approximately 1 month. So you will get chance to 8 to 10 sessions to present your work and your team. Okay, and there is nothing like only one member from team can present. Each and every member has to present whatever they are doing. Okay, and we also suggest, during this live project, connect with your team in uh, and get in touch with on regular basis through Skype, GoToMeeting, WhatsApp group, and share information. If you feel anything like you're not able to do, get the help of other team members. All those things you can do, but you should meet on daily basis. That is the crucial part to work in a team. Like how you work in a team. Okay, in a real time project, you go in office, you do some stand up call, like what where we are and what we are going to do today. Okay, so it is a similar kind of environment we'll also create, so that it look like okay we are working on some project. And it will also be also benefit you to get the information what other team members are doing, how they are doing, if they are stuck somewhere, how you can help you, or how they can help you. Okay, all right, this was the what how we will do. But what we will do, um, test case is already available with us, as I said. Feasibility, environment preparation. So uh, I think from the day third onwards, you should prepare your environment. Okay, before day three, you will get all those information about your team and about the application. We'll share the test cases, all those things I'll share. So day three will be like, uh, we'll talk what action items you will have for day three. Okay, so before this day three, you should have this UFT installed on your laptop, on your system. and discuss with your team which framework you should uh, develop, and then you should start test script, test data creation, driver script, how you can create a automation object model, HTML report generation. Okay, so all those things we have to do in this live project. So those who just joined, this is for them. Okay, or people who missed the first session, this is for them what we are going to do in this UFT live project. Now we will quickly go through the application which I want to take is BookSmart application. People who have already part of JPACT or Selenium live project, they have already gone through this project. Okay, so they know the application well, but the members who are new, I'll just explain. Okay, even you will get the credentials and all those things you can get, and you can also explore, and will also provide a high level document, and you can refer that. Okay, so BookSmart application is team. Uh, it's a calendar based application. So this is for small level businesses. Uh, so like parlors or salons. So for those things, those shops, if they want to do booking system, okay, so they can buy calendars, and uh, they can create their calendars. So they can for each employee they can buy calendar, and what employee can do, that person can book a slot. Here you can see dates and your time slot. So employee can book for the particular customer if he has requested 8:30 a.m. okay for the service. So that's the person can go on Monday, or and he can book that slot for him or for her. Okay, so this is what basic idea of about this book smart application. So um, let me see, I can show you how to book. Actually these the this gray shaded area, you cannot book any. Okay, you'll get this pop-up like this time slot is not available because it is past date. Okay, that's why it is not available. Okay, so let me see if we have all right. So suppose I want to book on Sunday, 5th of March. So I can create customer name. I can, so there is a different module to add customer. I will show you, but from here also you can add customer name, mobile, email ID, all those things. Uh, Email address, zip, town, he wants to subscribe newsletter or not. Okay, and submit. And I can, you can type anything like, if it is available, so it will show you that suggestions you can choose, and service. Okay, service you can choose, and in which color you want to show it on your calendar. So that color you can choose, and what is the appointment time. So we clicked at 8 a.m., right? So you can click and you can choose, and it is automatically chosen, right? So we can just click book with all these information, and it will be booked for that particular time slot on particular date. So this is how uh, employee of that particular parlor can book appointments for their customers. Okay, so this is calendar module, and how it is done for the booking the appointments I just told you. You can go to customers module, and here we can add customers. So suppose parlor has some customer list, because some regular customers they one second team, let me get this call. Yeah, sorry team. So on this customer module, we can add our customers. So suppose that uh, that parlor has a customer list, so they can add their customers so that they can book their appointments. All right. So they can enter name, telephone, email, address, and all those things information, and they can click save. So that those data will be appear here, right? See name, phone, and these are a lot of functionality like you can sort, you can search. Okay, you can click previous next to if the list is uh, long. You can show entries for 10, 15, or 100. Okay, so this functionality will be common for each and every uh, module, like customers, categories, and services. So I hope this customer module is clear to everyone. What we do here, we just add customer details. In category and services, what services any parlors provides, so they can add their services. Okay, so first you create a category, and then inside that category you can create services. So suppose I say test one category I created. All right, so I can create a category this way, and I can delete, or if I want to add some services inside this in this category, I can name it, right? So something uh, I want to choose and add service, price is suppose 100. Okay, add service. So if you click here, you will get that service list. So this way you can add your service under a category, a test category. And the similar way you can edit. If you want to edit informations, you can delete, or you can add another service in this category. Or if you want to create another category, you can create from here. Okay, so this is how category and services works. What we have seen while booking calendar, which service that customer want. So you need to do first these some prerequisites for this application to book a calendar. All right. In payments things, we have reports. Okay, so it will show you like created invoice number, all those things it will show. So payment module is not uh, means you cannot do payment through this application right now, but it may be added later. Now if you go to settings, you can do the same way. whatever things we saw, like adding customer, adding category services, to all those things you can do here. Add calendars, services. So owner of that organization or that small business organization, that person can create calendars for their employee. Okay, and they can add services, online booking, products. If that parlor has some products, so they can create and they can sell it to their customers. Okay, online booking. It is still, I think this is the new feature they have added. Okay, so I think it is still not working, but we can talk on this. Okay, so currently do not touch this online booking because I think it is not working right now. You can create products, newsletters you can create, and if you choose subscribe for that new newsletter for any customer, it will be sent to those customers. Okay, so time to time you can, if you want to send some uh, offers, some things, so through newsletter you can send, or if you are going to provide new service, so those things details you can send through newsletters. There's also option to create gift cards. Okay, so in the similar manner you can create gift cards, all those details you can enter. Okay, and uh, you can your customers can utilize these gift cards. Okay, you can create vouchers in a similar way, you can create. Okay, all those things. So this is the some high level overview of the application. Any question, team? You can edit your profile, you can log out from here. So not that much big application, team, but there will be a lot of challenges, I can say, as I experienced with Selenium Live project members. So it's a very, I can say, if you automate this application, team, you have to put all your concepts. Okay, because it's a lot of things involved in this application, and it's very uh, uh, not that much simple, I can say, application. So this is a good member to automate, good member of automation application, which you can go through and play around it. So it will give lot of idea when you work on this automation. Okay, any question you have related to this application, team? If you have any question, let me know, because you have to work on this application. No questions? Okay, so do not worry, even I will share the high level requirement document with you. I have created this Google folder for this project itself. How can we download it? What you want to download? Can you explain this? What you want to download? BookSmart. No, it's you don't need to download. It's a web application. Okay, so it's a web application, and we have to automate it using UFT. So no need to download anywhere. So this is the project of for this project team. We generally use Google Drive to share files and everything. Whatever things from my side require, I will upload in this Google Drive folder, UFT Live Project Feb 17, and you have to also upload your documents script framework. Okay, how you can access this? So I will share with only confirmed member of this live project. So once I'll get those email IDs, I'll share with you all who are the members for this live project, and you can get invitation in your email. And this can be only accessed through team Gmail ID, Gmail account. So you should have Gmail account to access this folder. Okay, so make sure that when you are providing your email IDs to the team, IT Learn team, so make sure that you provide Gmail ID so that I can share this folder with you. So I hope this Google Drive concept means thing is clear to everyone. What is the purpose of this drive? And here I will create a contact sheet where you can go and see your team members name, and even I will create a team names folder here, so you can use your team name folder to save all your files. And but do not delete anything, okay, from anywhere. If something you said something is went wrong, so either revert back or don't delete, just rename that file and create a new one. Okay, do not delete anything, and do not uh, go and change documents or any things scripts in other team members folder, because you will have options to view their folders as well. Okay, you'll have all rights for this. Means there are different options I can set, but for this I will give full rights to edit, view anything, download everything you can do, but do not delete anything from this. All right, so uh, any question, team? uh, I just wanted to show you previous uh, projects. So here it is. Let me see if it is there or not. Folders are not there. So this way you will have to do list, contact sheet, high level requirement, even folder names will be there. Okay, if it is not there, so like Selenium Live project, if we see we have team names, and teams create their files and upload here. Okay, and whatever details are required will be here. So in a similar way, this product will also work. So if you are decide if you just decide if you want to attend this live project, get uh, tell the IT Learn team. So here is the email ID. Okay, learn@itlearn.com. You can send your confirmation to the team, and they will team will provide me the list of the confirmed participants. Once I get, I'll share all those required details with you, and will share this Google folder as well. So once you are done, I will also email what you have to do before day 3. So before day 3, I will identify a few tasks for you guys. Okay, and you have to do feasibility of the test cases to automate. Okay, so what we do in feasibility of the test cases, it depends on the number of things. Like currently we are using UFT, so you have to go through those test cases and decide that this particular test can be automated using UFT or not. Okay, that's what we do in feasibility of test cases. So once you get the Excel sheet from my side of test cases for this BookSmart application, you can do go through the test cases and see which test case can be automated. And team, we are going to use, we'll try to use Chrome browser using UFT. Okay, so because this BookSmart application, I guess, will not work properly in IE, Internet Explorer, or we'll see if it works in IE11 or somewhere. So that is a different thing, but we'll also try different browsers because UFT supports, right? So let me write here before day 3 what I have to do. So if I say day 3, so Mano is me. Okay, so has to share test case file with team. Uh, me has to share high level requirement document with team. So I'm not sure how many members means who had joined this session will be part of the live project. So that's why I'm not writing anything for you guys, any task, but task I will email, like uh, analyze test cases and check feasibility. So this will be the task for the day 3, and so these information can be presented to us on the day 3. So before day 3, will you will get all those required information, okay, and you will be good to start before day 3. So any question, team? Any question or anything, whatever we discussed about what we'll do in live project or about the application, or any other question do you have? Just let me know. No questions? Okay. Nobody has any question, or everyone is good? I'm waiting, team, for your questions. I'm done with day 2, whatever I plan to do. Uh, Briefing about day 1 and application overview. So I'm done with that. Let me know if you have any questions before we wind up this session. So, sorry if I uh, could not spell your name correctly. Kosala, if you're QA, yes, you can do. But do you have experience, any knowledge or any experience? I can say knowledge in UFT. Okay, so see, I would suggest to, if you want, if you have interest to join this live project, so you have to go parallelly through UFT video course. Okay, so that you can learn the UFT side by side, and same things whatever you learn there through video course, you can apply those concepts. Okay, because UFT is mandatory, because when we'll work in real time, sorry, in this project, other people will, suppose they will have UFT knowledge and they will start writing scripts and all those things. You will feel like you are uh, odd in that team. So uh, just to avoid this condition, uh, either, so there are two options, team, for you, Kusala. Either you can take video course, go through it side by side, and work with team. All right. Another option is uh, join live UFT live batch, and then join. After that, you can join live project. So there are two ways. So you can think whatever will be best suited, and you can take decision on this. Can you please tell me the BookSmart application website? Okay, I'll ping you here. Okay, what kind of framework we are going to do? Very good question. See, we'll start with we'll try to cover each and every framework in this live project. So we'll start with data-driven framework, so that we'll get a concept of that as well. Then we'll try to keyword-driven framework, and if time permits, we'll work on hybrid framework as well. Okay, hybrid framework is nothing but a combination of data-driven and keyword-driven. So at the end, we'll try to do that as well. But uh, at least two framework we'll try to cover in this live project. Okay. Any other question, team? Okay, I don't see any question right now. So thank you everyone. Thank you for joining this session, and you can make up your mind for this live project, and you can inform IT Learn team that you are interested to join if you are, and then we can start actual work from day 3 onwards. All right. And if you have any question, you have my email ID and IT Learn email ID. You can, this is my email ID, manoj@itlearn.com, and this is the sales team ID, learn@itlearn.com. You can send any message or any query if you have, you can send to the learn@itlearn.com. So thank you everyone. Thank you for joining this session. Hope we'll meet on day 3. Okay, so day 3 onwards will be paid sessions, means uh, demo sessions are done, so those will be paid sessions, so only confirmed member can join. All right, so let's meet on day 3 and we'll start working on this live project. Thank you everyone, bye for now.